Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to replace your Hyundai Getz door handle. We're gonna be using this plastic, silver plastic ones to replace our broken door handles. As you can see, this one has already been replaced with metal because as they age, they tend to break. Let's start with this handle. So firstly, there is a clip, there is a cover, plastic cover, and you need to use a small screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, to pop that cover off. So after that's done, we can just remove this screw. So after that's popped off, place the screw aside, and as you can see, we'll pull this out. There are two plastic clips holding those bars which control the door lock and handle. So to remove this, make sure you to widen that hole as possible and pinch that end, the top one, pinch it and pull to release. So to remove that, just push that bar upwards. There you go. And just to repeat that on another side. You can see that down there. We'll do that off camera. Okay, so here it is. Those hooks, they go into these holes and you secure them with this clip. So just to do it in reverse. So here's the replacement part. I got this online. They ship straight from China, and they have this white clips, plastic clips, to replace the old ones, but these are still in good condition, so you can reuse them. But I'll just use the ones provided. Let's just copy its orientation. So here, the old one, you can see the clips should face up, and we'll just pop them in right here. Okay, so here they are already placed, and just to place it back, we have to do this bottom one first, then this one. Will be much easier. Okay, so they're already placed, and to place this top one is a bit tricky, but as you can see, we can pull on this the shorter hook to place that. So we'll just have to leverage that top by using a flathead screwdriver, this one right here. So we'll grab that hook top up there, then place it on the hole so we can clip it in. Okay, so there it is, already placed. This one is secure, the bottom one is secure, so just have to place it back. And to do that, this new handle has a hook right there, and we have to place it over here, this hole. So let's just push that in. So push this in first, then slide this back, and just line up those holes, and we can place the screw back. Here is the finished product. As you can see, we'll test it with the. So let's unlock. Oh, that's locked. Unlock. As you can see, it works. Locked. Unlocked. So it's a good thing to do to test for long period of time. So that's how you do it. Just do it 4 more times so they all match. And that's pretty much it. See you next time.